I'm Marybeth Jones, Product Engineering Manager for Johns Manville. When it comes to chilled water systems, choosing the right insulation product is key to performance, efficiency, and long-term durability. Insulation helps to bring down the energy demand on the system by regulating the temperature and making the system more efficient. It also provides condensation control. Warmer air coming into contact with a chilled pipe will cause condensation. Johns Manville offers a range of insulation solutions tailored for chilled water applications. Let's break them down. First up, Micro-Lok HP and Micro-Lok HP Ultra. These are preformed fiberglass pipe insulations with built-in vapor retarders. Micro-Lok HP features ASJ with a PERM rating of 0.02, while HP Ultra steps it up with a poly-coated ASJ at 0.01. Both are cost-effective and widely trusted by installers. The jacketed insulation can also resist temporary exposure to small amounts of liquid water as long as the exposed fiberglass ends have been vapor sealed. Fiberglass insulations like Micro-Lok HP can be used on chilled water systems in exposed outdoor environments if a metal or 𝗃𝗃 PVC jacketing is used with it. Next is Trymer 2550. It is a closed-cell PIR foam with excellent compressive strength. A vapor retarder can be applied by the fabricator, so there are numerous vapor retarder options including ASJ, poly-coated ASJ, and foil 𝗃𝗶𝗃𝗀 or FSK. When it comes to chilled water systems, flexibility, reliability, and efficiency are key. That's where MicroFlex comes in, a pre-insulated flexible piping system designed to simplify chilled water installations for a larger diameter pipe. Unlike rigid piping, MicroFlex bends easily around obstacles, reducing the need for joints and fittings. This means faster installs and fewer leak points. MicroFlex is ideal for tight spaces and retrofit projects, where traditional piping just won't fit. It's also corrosion resistant, making it perfect for long-term reliability.